To connect a Samsung Pencil to an Apple iPad 2025, you will need to use a compatible stylus adapter or a third-party app that allows cross-device compatibility. Start by checking the compatibility of your Samsung Pencil with the iPad 2025, as not all models may be supported. Next, download and install a third-party stylus app from the App Store, such as Autodesk Sketchbook or Adobe Illustrator Draw, which support a wide range of styluses, including the Samsung Pencil. Once the app is installed, launch it and navigate to the Settings or Preferences menu, where you should find an option to connect or pair a stylus. Select the Samsung Pencil as the connected device, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. If your Samsung Pencil is not automatically detected, you may need to put it into pairing mode by pressing and holding the button on the side of the stylus until the LED light starts flashing. After pairing, you should be able to use your Samsung Pencil with the iPad 2025, taking advantage of features such as pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition. Keep in mind that some features may not work as seamlessly as they would with an Apple Pencil, due to the cross-device compatibility. To get the most out of your Samsung Pencil with the iPad 2025, experiment with different apps and settings to find the optimal configuration for your needs. You may also need to adjust the stylus settings within each app to achieve the desired level of precision and accuracy. By following these steps and using a compatible stylus app, you should be able to successfully connect your Samsung Pencil to your Apple iPad 2025 and enjoy a seamless and productive drawing experience.